Yes, a giant robot. Madrid is such a bustling city, full of tourists and super friendly people. There are so many cool attractions here. It makes just walking around the streets so much fun. It was so funny when the giant robot hugged Sam and made a big heart with its hand.
I'm on a plane, thank you very much. Oh, yeah.
Kalau kayo luma. Dito tayo.
They had ads all over these kiosks showing the prices for tourist buses. The prices were different. Some buses had out-of-town tours, which were a bit more expensive, while others just did city tours and were cheaper. There were also ads for other tourist spots like flamenco shows. The Del Prado Museum, Museo del Prado, in Madrid, is one of the most important art museums in the world. It houses an extensive collection of European art, particularly from the 12th to the early 20th century. The museum is renowned for its masterpieces by Spanish artists such as Diego Velázquez, Francisco Goya, and El Greco. Its collection also includes works by renowned artists from other countries, like Titian, Rubens, and Rembrandt. The Prado's building itself is a classic example of neoclassical architecture, and the museum plays a key role in Spain's cultural heritage. Right across from the Prado Museum, we saw this really old and beautiful church with unique Spanish architecture. Unfortunately, the doors were closed for filming, but the view was absolutely stunning.
Bene, alla fine ce l'abbiamo fatta. Guarda che come è arrivato, no? Hai prenotato alla 1:55.
Ah, perché non sapevo se io...
enthusiasm makes the whole trip.
In the city, there were these huge, cute bears everywhere, and most tourists were taking photos with them. The architecture in Madrid is truly amazing and jaw-dropping. The buildings are so beautifully designed that they make the streets come alive with a unique charm. Every corner you turn reveals a new architectural wonder that adds to the city's vibrant and captivating atmosphere. It's impossible not to be impressed by how the stunning structures enhance the overall beauty of Madrid. The famous bear with the strawberry tree in Sol Square is a symbol of Madrid. Anyone who visits here definitely takes a photo with this iconic landmark. Sol Square in Madrid is the place to be with all the top brands, lively bars, and plenty of restaurants. It's always bustling with people and has a fantastic, energetic vibe. Plus, the square is absolutely stunning, making it a great spot to hang out and enjoy the city's vibrant atmosphere.
Nos vamos a perder.
Sol Square, with its beautiful horse statue in front of the orange and white building, is always lively and packed with people, almost until the early morning hours. The narrow cobblestone streets are absolutely stunning, with beautiful lighting and the charming design of shops, bars, and cozy restaurants adding to their charm. Every corner feels like a hidden gem, making these streets even more magical.
Si nos vamos a esa plazolilla de ahí, claro, donde estuvimos una vez que está más hacia Mirce.
The colorful buildings and painted walls make the beauty of the city even more striking.
Claro que me lleve la
Hope you enjoyed this video. I really appreciate all your support. Stay tuned because I've got another fun and exciting video coming up that you won't want to miss. See you in the next one.